This is the Hyper 350 24 volt dirt bike from Walmart. Costs about $270 after tax. It only has a rear brake, battery indicator, reset button, charging port, pegs. It's chain driven. Has a real dirt bike seat. Just an on and off switch. I've been pretty impressed. The seat height is the same as a Yamaha PW50, so it's really good to put them on it right before you transfer them. They get the feel of the dirt bike. They just don't get the weight of the bike. So that's about the only thing, other than the throttle is on the wrong side. But that's not going to be too difficult for them to get used to. So the battery is about dead, but it still does pretty good on regular trails. Come on, son, come hop on. He is only 4. We've been out here riding for hours and it's still charged. He rides it every day on the 4-wheeler trails. It does pretty good. It lasts hours. He doesn't kill the battery very often. He usually gets tired of riding. It's starting to struggle a little bit because it's been 3 or 4 hours. It's a really good starter bike right before you put him on a PW, I believe, though. Hopefully this is a good review for you guys who are thinking about buying one and not spending very much money. It's a really good investment for them. Thank you guys for watching.